Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, we're gonna get right into this video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make avocado oil. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So here I have about 5 avocados, but I've already taken the inside of the avocado out to make avocado toast. And I forgot whose video I seen that was just like, hey, don't throw your peels and the seed away. I can't remember, but this was not my idea. If I can remember to put the name up on the screen or the original video, if I can remember to put it on there, then I will. But you guys, I was just like, hey, I have to show this method if it really works and if it's good. So here I am showing you guys like, hey, this stuff is pretty good. I mean, it's pretty legit. So what I've done was saved my avocado peels and the avocado seeds. I'm going to remove all of the stickers on the outside of the avocado. I'm going to go wash the avocado off, and then I'm going to place my avocado shells or skins inside the oven. I will leave the avocado skins and the seeds in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until they look really crispy and burnt, and then I will come back to you guys and show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, so this is what my avocados look like after I took them out of the oven. It's a little burnt, but it's not too burnt. I wanted them to still have a little give to them, like they're not super crispy yet, because what I'm going to do now is pour my favorite oil on the top of these avocado skins and seeds to give that extra oil. If you want to not use any carrier oil, then you don't have to, but you will get less oil if you don't pour a carrier oil on the top. So what I'm going to be doing is using my DIY oil, which is a Ayurvedic herb type of hair growth oil. So it has a whole bunch of nutrients and everything in there. I know you guys, I just said olive oil, but it has olive oil in there. But I did add more olive oil, just straight olive oil, to my mixture later on in the video. But you guys are going to see that in a minute. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pour about a cup of my DIY oil on the top of these freshly cooked avocado skins and seeds, and then I will be back in just a moment. But you guys, I put the skins back into the oven just to make sure that the oil cooks into the avocado skin. So I put it back in the oven for about 35 to another 40 minutes, and then you guys are going to see how crispy it looks after I cook the avocado skins with the oil on the top of it. Okay, so now that the avocado skins are freshly out of the oven, you guys, I do have a oven mitt because this mixture is really hot. I will advise you to use a heated, safe glass container if you're gonna do it this way, or else just wait until your avocados and oil cool off. But I didn't have the time to wait for it to cool off, so as you guys can see, it's really smoky and I did not have time for it to cool off. Like, I really needed to finish this project tonight. So I made sure I had a heat safe glass container, and I'm going to pour all the oil, the seeds, and the skins, avocado skins, into this glass container. And then I'm going to use a food blender. Now, this is the part where I will have to say, if you're young or if you don't want to get burnt or splashes or something like that, please don't do this part. Like, just wait until your mixture cools down. You can wait a couple of hours or the next day, but like I said, I needed to hurry up and do this because I did use a immersion blender, I think it's called, and some oil did splash up and it was a little hot, but it didn't burn me. But it was pretty warm. So I would advise you not to manipulate this while it's this hot. You can wait for it to cool down, but I was impatient once again. So I am going to blend this up with a hand mixer. And then after I blended it up, I did wait and let my mixture sit for 2 days. I did put it in the refrigerator for it to sit, and then I took it out of the refrigerator and let it sit for 1 day at room temperature, and then I proceeded with the next step. So you guys, I gave my mixture a really good blend. I did pour probably another half a cup of just straight olive oil into my mixture while I was blending it because I noticed that it needed a little bit more oil to make the blend process a lot more smoother. So this is about 2 days later after the mixture had set and I wanted to really like marinate and get that really good nutrients out of the seeds and out of the skins. And as you guys can see, it almost really looks like a paste, and you can actually just apply this to your hair, but you will have little bits stuck in your hair. You would probably want to get it a lot more smoother and creamier than what that paste looked like. But what I did was took another heat safe container. I also took a, I don't know what you call that little strainer thing, but you guys, you should be so proud of me. I actually bought cheesecloth to strain this mixture out, because I was like, okay, stop being cheap. It's only $1.50. Like, just buy some cheesecloth so you can actually do some of these DIYs the way that they need to be done, because you guys know I would use a sock or pantyhose or a stocking or something, but you guys, literally get a cheesecloth. Like, it is so much better. It doesn't rip, it doesn't get holes or anything in there. Like, literally get a cheesecloth. You won't be able to reuse it, but it is so worth it. So after I get my cheesecloth and my strainer, and then I just squeeze all of the oil out of the cheesecloth, and as you guys can see, it's gonna be a really pretty rich dark green color, and that's from the avocados. And I was really pleased with this mixture. Like, I could squeeze like a lot of oil. I got about a cup of oil out of this. I probably could have got another half a cup out of it, but my hands aren't really that strong. I could have reused the, I don't know what you call it, the pills and stuff that I mixed together. I probably could have re-cooked it and put more oil in it and squoze out more nutrients out of this mixture, but I didn't do that. But what I got was really good. Like, I was really pleased with how this project turned out. You will get like a really nutty chestnut roasted smell. I don't want to say chestnut, but you will get like a wood roasted smoky smell. That's what this avocado oil will smell like. So if you're not a fan of like a smoky, rich, deep, I don't know, like a wood burning fireplace smell, you probably will want to use this as a pre-poo or a hot oil treatment or something where you know you're going to wash this out of your hair. But me personally, I didn't mind the smell, and I actually love the rich feeling of the oil. So yeah, guys, I'm going to do this process a couple of times, because you still get a little of the residue left in the bottom of your container, or yeah, I guess it's the container. Like, you will get a couple of residue left over. So what I did was just strained as much oil out of this mixture that I could, and then I put the cheesecloth back on the top of the strainer. I got another container, and then I poured the mixture back inside, like back through the cheesecloth. Like, I hope that makes sense, just to make sure that I got all the residue that I could out of the oil. So I do this straining process twice. So I hope that makes sense. So you guys, the end result is going to be me pouring it into the melanin hair care oil bottle. You guys, I don't throw anything away. Like, I literally recycle a lot. So yeah, guys, this oil is great. I really love it. Please leave comments down below if you give it a try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.